There is no point in 35 real English sentences to stop wasting time. When something has no meaning, no use, no value, we say, there is no point in. There's no point in apologizing if you never meant it. There is no point in staying when your heart has already left. No point in fixing what they keep breaking. In English, when something feels pointless, we say, there is no point in. Today, you'll learn 35 powerful English sentences that show when it's time to stop, let go, and move on. Welcome to English for All, where real emotions meet real English. In this video, you'll learn how to use the phrase, there is no point in, to express frustration, uselessness, or wasted effort. With 35 relatable sentences, you'll want to say every day, there is no point in. This is used to say that doing something has no purpose, no benefit, or no result. For example, there is no point in arguing with him. Arguing won't change his mind or behavior. There is no point in complaining. Nothing will change. Complaining is useless if no action will be taken. There is no point in waiting any longer. Further waiting won't bring a different result. There is no point in studying if you don't focus. You won't learn anything if you're distracted. There is no point in talking to him. He won't listen. He is not open to hearing what you say. There is no point in buying more clothes. You already have enough. Spending more on clothes is unnecessary now. There is no point in worrying about the exam now. It's too late to prepare or change the outcome. There is no point in apologizing if you don't mean it. An insincere apology is empty and meaningless. There is no point in going outside. It's raining heavily. Going out will be uncomfortable or dangerous due to the rain. There is no point in fixing this old laptop. It's too broken or outdated to be useful anymore. There is no point in running. The bus has left. You've already missed the bus. Rushing now is useless. There is no point in saving money if you waste it later. Saving is meaningless if you don't manage money wisely. There is no point in pretending to be someone you're not. Being fake won't lead to genuine respect or relationships. There is no point in blaming others for your mistakes. You must take responsibility instead of shifting blame. There is no point in making a plan if you don't follow it. Plans are useless without execution. There is no point in watching the news if it makes you stressed. If news negatively affects your mental health, it's better to avoid it. There is no point in staying in a toxic relationship. Remaining in a harmful situation only damages you further. There is no point in searching. I already found it. Continuing to look is unnecessary because the goal is achieved. There is no point in trying to change the past. The past cannot be changed, so don't dwell on it. There is no point in forcing someone to love you. Love should be mutual, not one-sided or pressured. There is no point in arguing over small things. Minor issues are not worth the conflict or stress. There is no point in talking to a closed-minded person. They won't accept new ideas or perspectives anyway. There is no point in being jealous of others. Jealousy brings no benefit and only harms your peace. There is no point in making a big deal out of this. The situation is not serious enough to overreact. There is no point in waking up early if you waste your time. Waking up early is meaningless without productivity. There is no point in overthinking everything. Thinking too much doesn't solve the problem. It creates more stress. There is no point in expecting everyone to agree with you. People have different opinions, and that's normal. There is no point in trying to please everyone. It's impossible to make everyone happy, so focus on yourself. There is no point in forcing a friendship. If it's not mutual or genuine, it's not worth pursuing. There is no point in cooking too much food. It may go to waste. It may go to waste or be unnecessary. There is no point in ignoring your health. Neglecting health will lead to bigger problems later. There is no point in regretting what you cannot change. Regret won't improve anything. Accept and move on. There is no point in decorating if the house is dirty. Cleanliness is more important than appearance. There is no point in explaining again. They won't listen. Repeating yourself is useless when the person isn't willing to understand. There is no point in worrying about other people's opinions. Living for others' approval only limits your happiness. Now take a deep breath and think of something in your life that drains your energy, wastes your time, or brings you no peace. Say it out loud using today's phrase. There is no point in, because real English isn't just spoken, it's lived. Some things are simply not worth your time, your energy, or your heart. In English and in life, learning when to say there is no point in is a step toward strength. Comment the sentence that hit you hardest. Subscribe to English for All, where you learn not just grammar, but the language of life. Like and subscribe for new videos.